Hello everyone, welcome to Xcelin. In today's video, you will learn one of the most important Excel features, sorting filter. By the end of this video, you will be able to organize your data in seconds and quickly fix or find exactly what you are looking for. Let's get started. I have a table here including a column order ID, date, salesperson, region, product, category, quantity, unit price, total. This is a simple sales report. We will use this dataset to understand every option inside sort and filter. Suppose I want to arrange all salesperson alphabetically. I simply click anywhere in salesperson column and then under home tab sort and filter and sort A to Z. My salesperson column will be sorted alphabetically starting with A and ending with Z if there is any. If we want to reverse it, we will anywhere click and sort Z to A. The sorting has been reversed. Please note that if we apply any sort in any column, all other column will be sorted accordingly. You can see L is first, then Bob, then Carol, then David, and all the relevant data are stick together. Okay, we have applied it for text. If for order ID, we can also use the sort from smallest to largest. It will be sorted according to order ID, and if we sort largest to smallest, this has been reversed. Again, we can sort according to quantity, according to total, or we can even sort according to date. If sort A to Z, it will be sorted according to the oldest first and then newest last. If we want to reverse sort Z to A, this has been reversed, starting with the newest date first. Okay, I'll show you now the custom sorting. First, try to understand what is custom sort. If we want to sort two or more items together conditionally, then we have to use this custom sort. It is the most powerful option of Excel. Here I can sort by multiple columns. Okay, first we will sort by region A to Z, then add label, then we will sort according to category A to Z. If you want to add any other condition, you can do it by adding label. So I will leave it adding 2. Okay, now look at the table. Our first condition was sorting according to region, then according to category. If you see, Excel sorted the east region first, then north, then south, then west. If again look at this, under east region, it is again resorted according to category. First accessories, then electronic, then furniture. Again under north, you can see electronic first, then furniture. Again for south, accessories first and then furniture. So Excel has done according to your need and choice. Okay, suppose we have some data like this, colored differently, and for different product or different category we have different colors. So if we want to sort it according to color, we have two options here. First of all, we can do it by sorting, and another option is we can do it by filtering. So if we go to custom sort, first of all, if you want to categorically category, then cell value, we will have it cell color, If you want to keep green first on top, okay, add label, category, cell color. Then if you want yellow on top, okay, then category, cell color, the red. Okay, we did not choose the uncolored here, so let's see what happens. According to our condition or requirement, the green has set first, and then yellow, and then red, and the uncolored has been shown in the last. Now I will show you the filter option. It is one of the most powerful in Excel. Filter does not mainly rearrange data. Instead, it hides the record that don't match your selection. Here we cannot find any filter option. We have two ways to filter it. We can select and custom and filter and then filter. Again, we have another option. Click anywhere, or you can select header and Ctrl Shift L. Filtering option has been displayed here. Suppose we want to see the sales report of only Alice. We can use filter here. Under salesperson drop down, click here, unselect all, and then select only Alice. We can see the report of Alice only. Again, you can select Bob and for others also. If you want to show all, select all. Okay, then you can filter it by category. Accessories, okay, fine, only accessories shown. You can also filter it by product also. I hope this has been clear to you. Okay, I'll show you now number filters. Suppose we want to work with total column. Under drop down menu, number filters equal. If you want to keep the only result having 150, we can select equal and 150. Except 150, all the records has disappeared. We can also do it by adding 800. Only 800 exists. Less than. All the records less than 500 has appeared here. If you want to keep top 10 or top 5, you can specify here. Okay, only top 5 here, and the rest are disappeared. Clear filter. Okay, we have found our table as before. I'll show you another number filter. Go to custom filter. If we want greater than 150 or greater or equal to 150 and less than or equal to 800. See what has happened. 150 and above but not more than 800 has been displayed here. You can specify as your requirement and you will get the exact result here. Okay, clear filter. That's how easy sort and filter are in Microsoft Excel. Today we learned sort A to Z, sort Z to A, custom sort, sort by color, filter, number filters. If this video helped you, please like, share, follow or subscribe to Xcelin for more practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.